Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the DashQuill integration with AdvancedMD. Now, if you've used any other software, you're probably used to having a separate tab or a separate program that runs separately from your EMR. However, with DashQuill, it works a little bit differently. We actually add a button directly into your EMR. And so when you click this button, it launches the DashQuill app in your AdvancedMD. Now, what this means for your team is that basically you guys don't need to go anywhere else. Everything runs exactly where you're used to working. And this also just makes the integration very seamless. So I'll quickly talk about each of these different services. We're not going to go too in depth here, so we recommend scheduling a demo just so you can see kind of the different use cases. But high level for forms, when a form comes in, you're going to be able to import it into AdvancedMD. And basically it will search for the patient, and then you can either update the chart or you can actually create a new one. And we're going to not only upload the documents, but we're actually going to go and fill in these different fields. So things like patient info, demographics, insurance, pharmacy, all these things from the forms will get automatically put into the patient chart in AMD. Now for faxing, the way that works is when a fax comes in, you can import it into AdvancedMD. And not just that, but you're actually able to create a new chart from the fax. So in the case that, let's say you get a referral document, our AI model parses out that info, so you can actually create a patient from that. For messaging, the main thing that it does is it automatically syncs the contacts. So what that means for you is you're not manually creating all these contacts for your patients, and instead it automatically syncs. For telehealth, the way that this works is you're actually able to search for a patient, start the scribe, and then it's going to pull in all this different kind of context about the patient, whether it's medications, diagnoses, things like that. And so when the scribe does go and create you the summary or like the note, then it's going to have all that context already in the summary. So yeah, that's kind of high level how this works. We also add some more buttons throughout the UI for just quality of life. But essentially that is kind of the DashQuill integration. So again, if you're interested in learning more, please schedule a demo. We'll be happy to kind of go in depth here and show you more of the system.